Just this one favor. I'll never ask for anything else, I promise.
What type of trouble you got into now?
They gonna kill me. I ain't playing. I just need this one last favor. Remember when we were kids? We always said we would have each other's back no matter what for life. That's the code we always live by. What happened to that? And don't try to guilt trip me, Trey. I've been there for you our whole life, but you just keep messing up. I'm trying to do better now. I changed my life, man. I got a family to think about. I spent years picking you up off the ground. I know you think you're better than me, but don't forget, I took the charge for you, remember? I was gone for years so that you could go to college. I did that for you. That's the code I still live by. I'm the reason you got that money in your pocket. But how long you gonna hold this code over me? I keep trying to help you, and all you do is keep messing up. I get you a job, you quit or get fired. It's like you don't want nothing, like you don't care. I don't get it, man. I'm just asking for one last favor, man. After the night, you won't see me again.
How much they want?
I need 50,000. Man, you got it.
That ain't the point. Set it up. This is the homie I told y'all about.
You know the difference between you two. One of you kept his word.
What does that mean?
Your boy tried to sell you out.
Hold up, wait a minute. Shut up!